It's official. Mercedes have ruined my car for me. I got in a Mercedes recently and it's ruined everything. Let me show you why. Let's go. They show me a level of quality their cars have that my car just doesn't have right now. But we're gonna fix that in this video. So we're gonna put the fiber in this gap here, in the doors, and then we're gonna put the fiber down this little gap here, and then over here on the trim down there. So let me show you what comes in the box. So you've got your optical fiber, and then you've got these little beauties here which give you the light. I've already wired them up. I've already wired a power connector onto it. I will show you guys how I've done that. But right now let's get into taking the door cards off and getting the fiber put in the dash. This does take a bit of time, but it's well worth it. Like most things in life, good things take time and all that jazz. So I'm patiently putting it in there. We've got the door cards taken off on both sides. They're both done, and the ambient lighting is inside the doors. We've got it here on the side there, and we've got it on that side of the dash. So what we need to do now is, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the radio, because all the wiring for the ambient lighting is going to be behind this radio. And then we'll put it behind the radio, wire it through here into the door panel, and we'll get it nice and seamless, because I don't want any wires falling down and showing. Right, so reach into there. We've got the light emitting blah blah blah. Plug that into there. There's a little screw on the top here. Alright, so that's going to be hidden away like that. And we'll tuck this on. Put this on like this. Close it up. And to push this down so it's in the gap. Boom. Bob's your uncle. This is the door card that I did all the unnecessary work on. As you can see, yeah, none of this was needed. I'm going to plug the light source into here. I was going to title this video, I'm going to war with Mercedes, but we went to test drive a Mercedes today. Stuck it from the J, started with my G, started for the base. And the ambience in that car was just different level. The ambient lights are just on a different level. But for 16 quid, the ones we've installed in this video today are pretty sick. I'm going to show them to you. I'm going to show them to you guys now.